In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Facebook post ID for Facebook ads. This is a quick and easy process that should take no more than 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or a small business owner stepping into the digital ad space, knowing how to access your post ID is crucial for tracking and optimizing your ad performance. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. You can easily find it by searching for Facebook Ads Manager on Google, which should be your first result. Once you land on the page, you'll see the option to go to Ads Manager. Click on that link and it will direct you straight into the Ads Manager interface. If you're not already logged into your Facebook account, the next steps involve a brief login process. Enter your email and password just as you usually would on Facebook, and then click on the Login button. Once logged in, you're all set to proceed. Now that you're inside the Ads Manager, head over to the Campaigns dashboard. This is where you can manage all of your advertising campaigns seamlessly. Look towards the top right of the interface where you'll find the All Tools option. A simple click on this will expand a menu filled with various tools that Facebook offers for ads management. Within this drop down, look for Business Settings. This section is integral as it allows you to configure different aspects of your business page and ads. Clicking on Business Settings will take you to a new page. Here you might find multiple accounts if you're managing more than one page. Select your preferred account to advance. Once you've selected the right account, the next step is to access the Meta Business Suite. This suite is an integrated hub for managing all your business assets on Facebook. You'll see an option to click on the Meta Business Suite. Do so and you'll be directed to a new dashboard. Within the Meta Business Suite, now it's time to click on Content. Here you can see all your published posts. Locate and click on the ad post for which you want to find the post ID. This will bring up a detailed overview of your post. Finally, under the post overview section, you will see the post ID. It's typically located towards the top or within the details of the post. Simply copy this post ID. It's what you'll use when creating or tracking specific ads in Facebook Ads Manager. And there you have it. You've successfully located and copied the Facebook post ID. With this ID in hand, you can now efficiently track and optimize your advertisements, making your marketing efforts even more effective. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on social media advertising and management. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.